That's not a rock formation. That's our drone.
I think I got it.
Is that a lens? And a logo? My God.
The 3D laser scan confirms the deformation. The FEA overlay highlights stress points in red.
We got a sector. I'm reading temperature logs.
Solid blue.
Yes, we did it.
The recovered data reveals a thriving ecosystem around these vents, with several newly classified species highlighted here in cyan. The rover is lowered into a massive windowed pressure tank. The chamber is sealed, lights go out inside. It's alive!
It's not just a machine we fixed. We recovered lost time and gave it a new future.